Hello everyone, welcome to this session. My name is Wycliffe, and in this video I want to share with you how you can pull a column from your data frame. It is not always that we have a data frame that we want to work with the data frame. Sometimes we want to convert a column within our data frame to a vector of just elements. So to do that, we'll need a pull function in dplyr. So that means you need to install dplyr if you don't have it already. For my case, I have it already, so I will just load it using library dplyr. And then after loading it, I will then create a sample data frame. And this will be a table, and it's a table of 3 columns. So the first column would be farm. And in this farm, I will have farm 1, 2, 3, up to 4. So I can use just paste function to avoid too much typing. And then I say farm 1 up to farm 4. Then I can also say these farms were in different counties, and then I provide the names of the counties. For example, it can be in Kericho, another one can be in Bomet, another one can be in Nandi, and another one can be in Meru. All right. After that, we can say the amount of tea which was harvested from each of these counties, and we provide this as a number, like maybe 400 from Kericho, 550 from Bomet, 300 from Nandi, and 450 from Meru. Those are just sample data sets. You could be having your data frame in CSV and you load it into R using read.csv or vroom or data table or whichever way. Okay, so if you just want to not a data frame, you just want a T in kilograms to be a vector, then you simply take your data frame and then you pull, and then you pull that column. So the column you're pulling is called T in kilograms. So now you can see you have a vector of numbers. Now it is not a data frame. And because this is the third column, we can simply say pull column number 3. Again, it does the same thing. You don't need just to specify the name. You can just specify the index. And it is not only working for numbers, you can also pull characters like farm. So here, if you have farm, you will see the farm as a vector. Okay. You can then, for example, if you pull a numeric column, then you can go ahead and even do some math on them. Like you can get the mean of, say, from data frame pool T in kilograms. So the mean yield of T, the mean of these numbers here is 425, okay? You can do a lot of things when you pull, because some functions like, say, bar plot in R needs a column, a vector, not a data frame. So you can start by pulling your column, and then you can also give your table a title like yield per farm, like that. So you have your plot of individual values from the T in kilograms column. And you've even used them in barplot, because barplot does not accept that. Of course, if you're using R ggplot, then data frame is fine. Okay, so we can also pull the last column. So if you don't want to specify the index, you don't want to specify the name, you can just say last call. And the last call was actually the T yield. If you want to pull the first column, of course, you take df and then you pull maybe just number 1. So it's the characters. All right, I hope you now know how you can get a column from your data frame, just one column. You can just pull it using the pull function from dplyr. And some functions like barplot need a vector of numbers. So in that case, you need the pull to help you extract just the column you want. You can extract it as an index by name or using the last column if it is what you need. If you find this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you do so, you will be able to get the new videos I upload around these using dplyr. Thank you and enjoy coding. Bye-bye.